how to set who can add a link to my account when forwarding my message on Telegram. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to Telegram application. I use iOS mobile phone or iPhone. Here in Telegram homepage, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. In settings, you can see here the privacy and security. Okay, go to this. In privacy and security, in privacy section, you can see here the forwarded message. Okay, you can tap this. And now you can set who can add a link to my account when forwarding my message. So there are options here. So you can set into everybody, my contact, or you can set into nobody. So I decide to set into my contact. And also you can set the exemption. Okay, you can set the never allow and always allow. So you can set this by tap this and select and click done button on the upper right side. And also you can tap the always allow, select, and tap the done button on the upper right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the who can add a link to my account when forwarding my message on Telegram. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.